All right, folks, today we're going to walk you through how to identify this tree over on the right with all these example tree images using the Arbor Day What Tree Is That Dichotomous key. So we're going to choose the region first. We're obviously in the western part of the United States, so I'm just going to click that. And then we want to identify first whether or not our tree has cones or needles, or these all-shaped leaves, or a flat leaf. And typically a dichotomous key only gives us two options, but here we have three, and you can see from this picture that this is a pretty close match. So now what? Does the plant look like a cactus? Doesn't seem to be. The fruit is not a large red berry. It's these sort of scale-like shaped trees. Here it asks about the fruit. Is it a small capsule or is it a cone? And it looks more like a conifer, so it's cone bearing and evergreen. So we'll select that second option. It is not a giant sequoia, so it doesn't have a long woody cone. It has a round cone. So here we're asked if the fruit is berry-like or a cone with scales. We'll select the correct option. And then is the cone oblong or is it round? So let's take a look at this photo. It certainly looks round. Lastly, it asks, is the foliage angled or rounded in cross-section, or is it flattened in cross-section? Well, if you take a look at this picture here, you can see that these individual needles are pretty round. So we're going to select this one. And now it's asking if the foliage is light blue to silver green or green to dark green. And there's a helpful hint here. It doesn't belong in Arizona. We are in California, and it looks like we've identified our tree as the Monterey cypress.